Hi there. Here are some top resources we use. Online platforms. Seneca Learning. Seneca Learning is very good. It has got most of the subjects covered, different exam boards and higher foundation. All the stuff is available. There is a free version as well as paid version for Seneca Learning. And for maths, Dr. Frost Maths is excellent. If you click get started, you can register as a student or a parent, and then it is available for working. Very good resource for maths. And BBC has got something called a BBC Bitesize, catering for primary, secondary, and even for teachers. And you can see it gives England, Northern Ireland, Scotland, Wales, everything. And this goes by exam board as well. Very useful. And Save My Exams is another fantastic place where you can get topic-wise exam questions and practice, and there are revision notes as well. That is an excellent one. And we should have one more called Physics and Maths Tutor. Should have given the link in the next one. Here are some YouTube channels. Should be very useful. But the trouble with YouTube is it is full of distraction, and it will take you from one place to another. And if you can resist the temptation to get distracted, YouTube is an excellent resource. YouTube Free Science Lessons is an excellent channel for sciences. This is exactly prepared to the specification. Nothing less, nothing more. If you study that, you will know the specification. Physics online. This is more directed towards A level, but still there are playlists for GCSE physics. Yes. Math Genie is excellent resource for GCSE maths, and so is Mr. Salas YouTube channel, excellent one for English GCSE. And here are some of the revision apps, quizzes. Quizlet is very famous. It can create you flashcards. Most students use flashcards using Quizlet or Anki. Learn study guides, practice test, everything is there. And if you go to the new one, is called Gizmo, and it has got AI. You can feed it with a PDF or video or whatever, and it will give you quizzes. And if you want to prepare with past papers and marking schemes, board websites are the best. If you click there, you can get to the AQ website. You can get to Edexcel. Edexcel getting the papers are a little bit tricky, not straightforward. But if you Google simply GCSE Edexcel past papers with the subject, you will get different third-party websites hosting the question papers, and marking schemes. OCR and AQA are straightforward. You can just hit the link and get this website selected. You can do it. And another amazing place is Physics and Maths Tutor. It has got all the past papers for all this revision. You can see this. And Save My Exams also has got past papers and topic-wise questions. And here is a summary of everything.